Hey guys, today I would like to talk about my recently published book, Learn Over 400 Phrasal Verbs the Fun Way. I'm Kamel. I have a master's degree in English and I've been working as a teacher of English since 1999, teaching students of all ages from kindergarten to college. I like this job very much. Since 2016, I've created several online courses and written some books. I also studied computer science and I always try to combine the two, so English and computer science. Like, for example, in this book, here I created all the characters and the scenes myself in Blender. It's a 3D modeling program. Now about this book. In this book, you're going to learn about 440 phrasal verbs. Is this much? Well, yes and no. No, because there are tens of thousands of phrasal verbs in English. And yes, because these are the 400 most important and most frequently used phrasal verbs. So you will come across them in everyday language, and I'm sure these are the ones you should know by all means. Now, how is this book structured? Actually, you could read it like a novel or like an adventure book. So each chapter starts with a part of the story where you can see some very nice characters, which I created myself in Blender, as I just mentioned. And these are Frida, Borg, and their kids. So Ike, Kevin, Bree, and there are some other characters as well. And they just move from place to place, they experience some stuff and so on, right? And they talk a lot and they use phrasal verbs, which are used in everyday language. Now, in this book, the phrasal verbs are not arranged by a verb or a particle. So we don't have a chapter with all the phrasal verbs with the verb take, for example. And we don't have a chapter with all the phrasal verbs with the particle out, for example. Now, the phrasal verbs are used in a natural way in everyday conversation. So you can just learn them like any new words that you learn. And now, let's have a look at some fragments from the book. So guys, I hope you will like my book and you can purchase it at Amazon and on my website. I will leave the links down below in the description. See you around.